this is such a workout. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Um if you're here, thank you for joining. Yeah, today's video is going to be a sort of get ready with me. As you can see, my hair is open and I'm going to be doing my hair with you guys. Just my simple everyday hairstyle, I guess. But yeah, welcome to my hair tutorial. Okay guys, so the first thing that I like to do is, well, I have water in this little thingy, so I'm just gonna use it to spray my hair. Because my hair is just rubbery because the water will just stay on my hair, like on the top. So my hair is like an old wash and go, which I did a few days ago, and unfortunately I was not maintaining it very well. I just put it in a bun and that was it. I'm just gonna put in my hair. And then I'm going to be using this brush, sort of. Yep. I haven't uploaded in a while, for a few days, because I've been really busy with school. Look at that. I don't know if it shows on the camera. Woo! This is why just putting your hair in a bun is not okay. Okay. So I'm gonna go ahead and, because I don't want to brush out my curls, I want them to be in the pony. And look cute. Yeah. Goodness. So yeah, I'm just gonna so painful. Yeah. This is a arm workout. Yeah. I'll have this brush, which I'm gonna use to flatten. So, table. Oh, guys, this is such a workout. Okay, so what I'm gonna be doing, I'm gonna take my hair down and sort of position my hair the way that I'm gonna tie it. So, okay. Good form. And I know my water. I'm gonna get some more water. My hair already has gel, so I'm just trying to make sure that the water like sort of wet it again, whatever. I don't know. We actually like the product. I also have a product in my hair. I put in some leave-in conditioner from Auntie Jackie's Curly Bun. I'll put it on the screen. But yeah. So now I'm just gonna go ahead and brush it again. So it can be sleek. Sleek. It needs to be sleek. Right. I feel like that's perfect. Okay. And then now I'm going to be using this band. It's the same exact band. So guys, story time of what happened to me the other day. So anyway, I went to the shop with my sister. Yeah. I think I'm gonna need another band. So okay, so I got another band. It's kind of twisted together, this band, but I'm gonna be putting this band. I don't know whether I want it to be a band or pony. Yeah. I feel like it looks fun like this. So in my hair like this, what I like to do with it is just take some curls right here on my sideburns. You know, this is one of my go-to hairstyles if I'm like in a rush or like I guess I need to look somewhat decent and like I don't have time. I'm just adding some water to my fingers so that my hair can curl up. So, add some more water. Okay. So what do you guys think? I'm going to be doing my edges, and I'm gonna come back. If you want to watch my how I lay my edges down, there will be another video for that. But yeah, what the hell? For my edges, I use this Revlon Flex Styling Extreme Control, whatever. Apparently has extreme hold. Yeah. So yeah, that was my video, guys. How can I forget about the story time? So I went to the shops, right? with my sister. And then I was coming out of one shop while she was waiting for me with the trolley like thing in the parking lot, and then there was this para. There was a para, ne? And then the para was helping her take out the packets to put it in the car. And I just came out of the shop to buy something, so I had the slip and my card in my hand, right? So the slip, like, I was like trying to take the the plastic, so the slip kind of slipped into the plastic. So I thought that the slip and the card both slipped into the plastic, but then at the same time, as the guy was taking the plastics, he like touched my hand, and I was like, whoa, you know. And then all of a sudden, I can't find my card, and I'm looking and I'm looking and I'm looking. And the same para suggests to help me. He's like, oh no, don't stress, sissy. Da, da, da. And he's helping me to look for the card. And there's nothing. I'm like, I didn't move from here. I was just standing in this one place. I didn't move at all. Where can my card go? So in image, I was like, I thought about it. I was like, he touched my hand and it disappeared. But then at the same time, I thought that I was the one who like dropped it or something. When I got home, I realized he took the card. And then he was acting so strange. And luckily, I said it right in front of my sister and him at the same time that no, I'm gonna go on my app now and I'm going to block the card. Yo, right? These paras. And then he's the one who approached to come and help and whatever, and apparently, like, I don't know, bruh. But yeah, don't trust paras. These people that no. But anyway, it wasn't nice, cause now I have to go. My account is blocked. My card is, everything is just not working. I have no cash on me. And I'm like I'm a koala, like I'm scared of things. So when that happened to me, and I actually realized when I got home, I was like, what the heck? That's impossible. It's the first time. Like, he didn't take it on my hand, but I felt his hand on mine. Yeah, no, South Africa. Ay, but yeah. Guys, thank you for watching my video, and if you reached this part of the video, like I said in the previous one, please leave a pink heart in the comment section. I really appreciate that. Yeah, thank you for watching. Bye.